Okay, so this is question 2 from the 2018 NHT for exam 2. So we've got the weight of the species of bird is approximately normal distributed with a mean of 71.5 grams and a standard deviation of 4.5 grams. So we want to find the Z-score, the standardized weight of the bird weighing 67.9. So the formula you need here is Z equals X minus X bar divided by standard deviation, okay, equals, so X in this case, this is X, this is X bar, and this is S, the standard deviation. So we're going to go X, we're going to go 67.9 minus 71.5, divide that by 4.5, and that will give us a value of negative 0.8. And that's all you need for a question like that. All right. So question B1. Use the 68, 95, 99.7 rule to estimate these things. So before we do that, I'm going to come across to this. So this is what that rule is. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to say this is 71.5 because that's my X bar. And each of these is worth 4.5 because that's the standard deviation. So what I'm going to actually write 71.5, then I'm going to write 67 because it's 71.5 minus 4.5, and then it'll be 62.5, oops, and then it'll be 58. Going on the other side, it's going to be 76, 80.5, and 85. And I'll show you, the reason I'm doing that now is to show you that why, yeah, in a moment that'll come pretty evident. All right. So in this case, the expected percentage of birds that weigh less than 67 grams. So what you do is you're going to go across to here and you go, right, 67 grams is here, okay? And it says less than 67. So I'm looking that direction, all right? So that means when it says expected percentage, so I'm going to be saying 13.5. So let's write that here, 13.5 plus 2.35 because it's this one, that's a 5 plus 0.15. Okay, and that's the expected percentage. So then we add that up, okay, and we get 16%. So that question, you just say the answer is 16%. The expected number of birds that weigh between 62.5 grams and 76 grams in a flock of 200 of these birds. So the point of this part here is, let's actually we go 62.5. So that's from here, and we want to go across to 76. So we're going across here. All right, so we're going, the percentage is going to be 34 plus 34 plus 13.5. Okay, and that's this one, and this one. Okay, and that gives us a percentage of 81.5. Now, that's not the answer. That's just the first part, because you have to calculate the percentage. Then you use that percentage. So now you want to get 81.5% of 200. So 81.5% of 200. And if you know how to do this, you can probably do a little bit quicker than this, but that's the same as going 0.15 times 200. And that gives you 163. So we would say, so therefore 163 birds. That's the expected number of birds based on that. Okay, and that's how you'd answer this particular question.